All right, first we're gonna do is set up two sets of parentheses, and we're gonna plug in our signs. So the second sign is positive. That means the signs that we plug in are going to be the same. Then we look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. So they're both plus signs. Now, we need factors of the first term, 5x squared. So that's just going to be 5x and 1x. And we need factors of the third term, 6. That's just going to be 6 and 1. And we also have 3 and 2. And so from here, we'll take each one of these factors and multiply it with a couple of factors over here. And since the signs are the same, we need to get a sum of 17. Okay, so let's take 5 times 6, that's 30, and then x times 1 is 1x. That doesn't add up to 17, so it's not that. 5 times 1 is 5x. 1 times 6 is 6x. That does not add up to 17, so that doesn't work. Now we have to have, the 5x and 1x are the only factors of 5x squared. So we have to have that. That's the only option. So we're going to cross, or we're not going to cross that one out. We have to have that one. It's the 6 and the 1 that we're going to cross out. Okay, so now let's test over here. 5 times 3, that's 15x. And then x times 2, that's 2x. Hey, that adds up to 17x, so that works. So now we're going to plug in the 3 and the 2. I'm going to put it here and here. The 3 gets multiplied with the 5x, so if the 3 is here, the 5x is over here, and then the 1x goes here. Now if I want to check to make sure my work is accurate, what we can do is multiply it all out and see if we get to our original answer. So let's go ahead and do that right now, just to make sure it works. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. 2, that's going to be 2x. This is going to be plus 6. So it'll be 5x squared plus 17x plus 6. Okay, that's what we have here. That does match up with what we have up top, so we know we factored it correctly. So now we just take each factor, each expression here, and set it equal to 0. So we set this equal to 0 and solve. Well, minus 3. So x equals negative 3. That's one solution. The other solution is going to come from the 5x plus 2. Set that equal to 0. Minus 2. 5x equals, this is going to be 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And then we divide by 5. So they cancel out. X equals negative 2/5. So your answers, x equals negative 3. X equals negative 2/5.